PMC Specialties Group has dedicated itself to improving the conservation of wildlife by creating the Wildlife Management Group. Through their efforts, products are developed to help humans coexist with nature. As human and wildlife populations grow, there is increased pressure and demand for improving the quality for both. To accomplish this goal, we must preserve the wildlife population and man's need to coexist without nuisance or health and safety problems due to wildlife activity in populated areas. Conflicts between man and nature can be resolved through the application of science with an ecological awareness for safety, without harming or even killing either the wildlife or humans. To balance nature with civilization, the Wildlife Management Group has developed a product called RejeX-it. RejeX-it aversion agents offer you an effective, environmentally safe, non-toxic tool for the management of human-wildlife conflicts. RejeX-it is the gentle way to control wildlife. No harm will come to animals or birds. They are repelled by naturally occurring compounds in RejeX-it to send them back to their more natural habitat. When used with birds, you can see how the treated food, if swallowed during a feeding frenzy, is regurgitated. Birds dislike the taste and odor of RejeX-it and usually will avoid the treated area altogether. Since no energy benefit was obtained from eating the food, these birds will have to look for other sources of nourishment. In all of the tests we conducted, not a single bird died or was harmed. RejeX-it products are formulated from food-grade intermediates that meet or exceed U.S. Food Chemical Codex and U.S. Pharmacopoeia specifications and comply with the British Pharmacopoeia. The active ingredient has been classified by the U.S. EPA as a naturally occurring biochemical. Birds are found to be a nuisance and hazard at specific locations, such as airports, landfills, golf courses, town squares and parks, and agricultural sites like rice fields or fish farms. The Air Force has been interested in controlling birds around airports for years. Approximately 3,000 aircraft are hit each year by birds, causing over $65 million in damage. On September 28, 1987, a B-1B bomber hit a 15-pound pelican, causing the aircraft to crash, killing 3 crew members. You can see how a single bird can affect the safety of a low-flying aircraft traveling at over 500 miles per hour. Private and commercial aircraft are also at risk at low-level altitudes during takeoff and landing. Landfills are another bird attraction. They have become a source of food for seagulls and other predators. These animals can carry disease and pose health hazards when they leave the landfill, carrying the health hazard to more populated areas. Golf courses with trees, ponds, and manicured lawns are a favorite feeding ground for birds. They leave behind a mess that is not only annoying to golfers and groundskeepers, but a health hazard as well. Geese and coots enjoy feeding on grass and can cause considerable damage to those beautiful fairways. Agricultural sites like fish farms and fish hatcheries also attract many unwanted birds. Birds destroy large fish populations in the farm ponds. Millions of dollars are lost each year at hatcheries and fish farms due to birds. RejeX-it successfully controls birds in all of these problem areas when used properly in a habitat management plan. RejeX-it is available in several formulations, each designed for specific applications. RejeX-it is easy to use and can be applied by hand or with a power sprayer. For treating large areas, a hydroseeding machine is recommended. RejeX-it is far superior to any competing control method. RejeX-it is non-toxic, easy to use, and does not create any foul odors. RejeX-it products are readily and completely biodegradable. For landfills, spray onto the working face before bird activity starts and reapply as often as needed. RejeX-it works extremely well on lakes, ponds, and impoundments. Our tests have shown a major drop in the number of mallard ducks in treated areas compared to the same area before treatment. Bird aversion agents in the United States are regulated and must be registered with the Environmental Protection Agency for all uses, including airports, landfills, tailing ponds, golf courses, feedlots, and in food and non-food agricultural applications, as well as aquatic environments. RejeXit products are designed to give wildlife management teams and the consumer an environmentally safe alternative to dangerous and messy chemicals, which are often harmful to wildlife. Birds will leave the treated area to find a more palatable food source, away from areas where they were in conflict with humans. Working to maintain a balance with nature is a challenge. The Wildlife Management Group is proud of their ongoing efforts in research and development of new products that are environmentally safe, non-toxic, and easy to use. To find out how we can help you safely discourage unwanted birds and other habitants from hanging around, give us a call. After a careful site evaluation, we will recommend a specific product for you.